Hello, my name is Ben Moisan and welcome back to another video. Today we are making sticky toffee pudding. For this recipe you will need 175 grams of dates, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 150 grams of butter, 200 grams of muscovado sugar, 2 eggs, 125 grams of flour, 85 milliliters of milk, and 100 milliliters of double cream plus extra to serve. Boy. Yeah. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. This is the same as 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the stones from the dates. You know I actually never pitted a date before. I've just covered these dates in 150 milliliters of boiling water. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. This will help soften the skins of the dates so that they're easier to mash later. Leave this to rest for 30 minutes. I have cut my butter into small cubes, so now I'm going to cream it with the sugar. I'm using 65 grams of the total butter and 120 grams of the total muscovado sugar. First, I'm going to beat the butter using this electric whisk. However, you can beat this by hand if you do not have an electric whisk. I'm going to start on the lowest setting. I'm now going to gradually add the muscovado sugar to the butter. I'm going to use a rubber spatula to scrape the butter off the electric whisk. Add the eggs one at a time. Gradually add the flour and the milk. Okay, I finished the batter now. Put this to one side and we're going to add the dates. Drain the dates and mash with the fork. Personally, I don't really like dates, but they help improve the flavour of sticky toffee pudding, and you can't really taste the flavour of dates. It's more like a caramelly sort of flavour. Now add the dates to the sticky toffee batter. Next, grease the ramekins. Okay, done. Add the batter to the ramekins. Place the ramekins on a baking tray and bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Whilst that is in the oven, we're going to make the toffee sauce. So to begin with, we're going to melt the butter on a low heat. Next, we're going to add the sugar. Then add the cream. Stir the sauce constantly to prevent it from sticking. The sauce is now finished. Serve the puddings with the toffee sauce and more double cream.